In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable CPR indicator in Tradingview. By the end, you'll have the central pivot range plotted on your chart and tuned to your preferences, so you can quickly gauge potential support, resistance, and market bias for the session. First, open a chart in Tradingview. Any symbol and time frame will work. So pick the one you typically analyze. Once the chart is up, look toward the top of the screen for the indicators icon. It usually looks like a beaker or says Indicators. Click it to open the Indicators window. This is where you can search across built-in tools and community-created scripts in the search bar. Type CPR. CPR stands for Central Pivot Range. It's a popular tool for intraday and swing traders because it plots a central band with upper and lower levels derived from the prior period's price action. These levels can help you quickly identify areas where price may react and whether the day is leaning bullish, bearish, or balanced. From the results, choose a CPR script that matches your needs. For example, there are versions labeled CPR with pivot levels that can automatically switch between daily, weekly, or monthly pivots, which is handy if you move across timeframes. You'll also find a central pivot range indicator that offers multiple pivot calculation styles, such as Classic, Fibonacci, and Camarilla, so you can align the math to your preferred methodology. If you are unsure which to start with, pick one that clearly displays the central band and two surrounding levels, and you can always switch later. After you click your choice, the indicator will appear on your chart. Now, customize it so it's easy to read. On the chart, hover over the indicator's name and click the gear icon to open its settings. Here, you can adjust colors for the central range and the upper and lower bands, change line thickness for visibility, and toggle labels if you want the levels to be clearly marked. If the script includes pivot types, you can choose between Classic, Fibonacci, or Camarilla to see which aligns best with your style. Some versions also include options for automatically switching between daily, weekly, or monthly levels. Take a moment to tweak these until the lines stand out against your chart background without clutter. That's it. Thanks for watching.